I'll walk you through 5 solutions in this video to cure Groove Music Player's 0xc00d36b4 problem on Windows 11. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then write appwiz.cpl and click on OK. In the Program and Features window, right-click on the Nero codec and tap on Uninstall to uninstall it from your system. After uninstalling the codecs, close the Programs and Features window. Then, restart your system. After rebooting the system, try to play the media file once again. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, type mmswise.cpl and hit Enter. When the sound appears, go to the Playback tab. Here, you will find the list of audio devices. Then, right-click on the audio device and tap on Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. In the Default Format section, tap on the drop-down and choose any value other than the existing one. Finally, tap on Apply and click on OK. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, type Optional Features and click on OK. When the Windows Features window opens up, scroll down and expand the Media features. Then, check the Windows Media Player option from the list of features. Next, tap on OK to save these changes. Once you are done, tap on Close. After closing it, play the media file using the Windows Media Player. At first, right-click on the Windows icon and tap on Installed Apps. In the Apps and Features open up, scroll down to locate the Groove Music in the list of apps. Then, tap on the 3-dot menu and tap on Advanced Options. Now scroll down and tap on Repair to repair the Groove Music Player. Once you are done repairing it, minimize the settings. Try playing the same media file using Groove Music. Check whether this works. If simply repairing the Groove Music doesn't work, open the settings page again. Then tap on Reset and then confirm your action with a tap on Reset to reset the app. Close the settings when you are done. Again, play the media. Open the location of the file on your drive. Then, right-click on the file and tap on Properties. After that, go to the General tab. Here, you will see the file type in the Properties window. This should give you an idea of whether the file type is supported by Groove Music. If it is supported, and you are still facing the error code 0xc00d36b4, go for the next solution file. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.